Welcome to my channel. Best used transmissions for trucks and SUVs. Step 1. Choose a transmission compatible with your vehicle. Always check the make, model, and year of your truck or SUV to make sure the used transmission is a perfect match. Step 2. Buy from a trusted seller. Purchase from a reputable dealer or certified auto recycler to avoid low quality or damaged parts. Step 3. Check the mileage on the transmission. Transmission mileage is very important. A lower mileage transmission usually lasts longer and performs better. Choosing a unit with fewer miles increases the chances of reliable long-term performance. Step 4. Inspect for damage or leaks. Carefully inspect the transmission for cracks, leaks, or worn-out parts. A clean, well-maintained transmission is often a good sign that it's in proper working condition. Step 5. Ask for a warranty. Choose a used transmission that comes with a warranty. Even a short warranty provides safety and peace of mind in case any issues arise after installation. Step 6. Review the transmission history. If possible, ask about the donor vehicle's condition and service history to understand how the transmission was used and maintained. Step 7. Choose tested and certified units. Look for transmissions that have been tested and certified by the seller. Inspected and approved units are more reliable and reduce the risk of future problems. Step 8. Consider popular reliable brands. Transmissions from brands known for durability tend to perform better in trucks and SUVs and are often a safer long-term investment. Step 9. Factor in installation costs. Include labor charges and any additional parts in your budget before making your final decision. Step 10. Get professional installation. Have a qualified mechanic install the transmission to ensure proper performance and prevent future issues. Thank you for watching.